you are so busy. Maraming ginagawa ang mga parents. Okay, so we are requesting na tumayo po at palakpakan natin sila ang mga parents ng graduating class, the 4th year. Please stand up po. Parents ng 4th year. Thank you very much. And the parents of our 3rd year class. Tayo po kung ang mga parents ng 3rd year. Thank you very much. Okay. This is a career orientation for our students, especially the graduating class. Because the choice of education or a career in life is one of the very important decisions a person must make for himself or herself. And this choice is a long process rather than a single incident. So as a process, this career orientation may be one of the steps or phases of it. And I believe that our speaker today will help our students, your sons and daughters, choose the right vocation for them and to be the best person that they can be. So as requested, bago po tayo mag-start, merong request po yung ating speaker na gagawa tayo ng teams with 12 members each para po sa mga students. So dear parents,